Welcome to Premium Blended Earth Science. I'm your instructor, Mr. Henchy. This semester, you'll be virtually exploring the outer reaches of space and the inner reaches of the Earth. If you're watching this video on your own device, you have all the technology you need. However, your non-web skills will be needed. You'll be required to write in full sentences, and my hope is that you will develop the communication skills that you will use throughout high school and college, as well as your career beyond formal education. You will learn to use Web 2.0 resources to produce presentations to communicate your knowledge to others. And you will develop valuable interpersonal skills using online blogs that will help you in your offline classes. You may be familiar with the topics we will be covering this semester because you've learned about Earth and space science in elementary and middle school. But this time, we will be going deeper. In addition, we will be looking at the Earth as a series of scientific problems that you will learn to solve. Your journey will begin with an exploration of space, focusing on stars and galaxies to see if we can answer the age-old question, where the heck did all those stars come from? Back on Earth, we'll travel back 100 years to imagine what it would have been like to be a scientist who declared that the Earth's continents weren't always where they are now, and to feel the ridicule of other scientists who would not accept his visionary thinking. One day, maybe during this course, you will experience a great earthquake. This semester, you will learn why some places are safer than others, and what to do when an earthquake happens. You may wonder why volcanoes erupt violently around the Earth, yet we never hear about them erupting in California. Why don't we have volcanoes? Or do we? We live at the edge of the Pacific Ocean, an ocean that in the last 10 years has produced devastating tsunamis that have killed more than 250,000 people. Should we be concerned that California could be struck by a tsunami? Well, you'll have to put the evidence together to find out why. This class will not be easy, but it will not be difficult if you stay on track with the assignments. You'll be required to do more on your own and with less guidance from me. In addition to videos like this one, you will be using the internet's vast resources, some selected by me as well as ones that you will discover on your own. You will be given prompts to respond to, and you will discuss these prompts with your virtual classmates and share what you've learned. There are still tests to take, checks on how well you've done. But if you continuously engage in the online activities, including online quizzes, you will do fine. Once a week, we will meet in my classroom for labs and tests and for face-to-face consultations. I've been helping kids learn earth science for almost 10 years now, but I wasn't always an earth science teacher or even a geologist. I was a biology major in college, and I've always had an interest in how the earth works. So I understand that learning about earth science is not as simple as some people think it is. I will welcome your questions and your comments as we move through the semester together. Welcome to Earth Science.